Hi, we just got back to the boat yesterday afternoon. It is now Amber's birthday. Happy 30th birthday, Amber!
Actually, it's not.
Well, that was yesterday.
Sunday today.
See, I lost a day traveling because we did, I don't know, 24 hours, more than 24 hours awake. I was really tired yesterday. So, today, while Leanne cleaned, I went for a nice bike ride up to Rincon, the other end of the island. And now we've put our rope blockers back together and we are about to do a little bit of repair on our Genoa. The UV cover is coming unstitched. I guess the stitching's rotted away, so I'll examine and fix that.
I also spent a couple hours scrubbing the outside of the deck because it was full of sand, really dirty, and I even hosed it yesterday too, and it was so much sand that didn't even work. Today I used soap, and we're probably going to have to hose it again. It's just very, very sandy. Those are the rope blocker ends that everybody's asking me. That's what I worked on in Canada, sewing these pieces on right here at the top. So here's the rip.
So I'll stitch a straight seam across here, then I'll follow zigzag holes, so it'll be double stitched here. I'm no sewing machine, but I think it will do the job. This is all what I did here. Seam along the top and then zigzag all the way down here, all by hand. Oh, you can't tell, huh?
And this piece here, I sewed on an extra strip, the same fabric that I sewed the rope locker ends, repaired the rope locker ends with, because we had a little bit of wear happening there. There's a couple other places. Yeah, there's another one there, but the other one was a little bit bigger than this. I went swimming and just got stung by jellyfish tentacles around me. Look at that sting mark there. And there. Wrapped its tentacles around me. Now it's welting up. Here's my arm today. Pretty welted up still, all the way down to my hand. This is where we are going to practice our drone flying. There's some flamingos right there. Set her up. The drone is ready to go, but the controls tell us that we are in a no-fly zone. We have to move on. Make sure you don't go right, Andrew. You go left, like forward that way. We're just on the edge of the no-fly zone. If we go this way, it might drop out of the sky. Wow, nice job. This is Karen and Alan. We met on a flight coming back here to Bonaire.
We are at kite sitting, watching Alan kiteboard.
Yes. Hopefully we got some drone footage of that.
Yes. Thank you for watching this episode of Sailing with WaveRiders.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share.
Bye.
Bye.